Today, we learn about parallel lines and the angles they create with a transversal. Goals for this lesson: identify and describe corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and interior angles formed by a transversal with parallel lines. Calculate unknown angle measures using the relationships between angles when parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Apply angle relationships to solve real-world problems involving parallel lines and angles. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify the parallel lines and the transversal in the diagram. Step 2. Determine the type of angles involved: corresponding, alternate interior, or interior, based on the transversal's intersections. Step 3. Use the relationships between the angles to find the unknown angle measures. Repeat after me. Example 1. If two parallel lines are crossed by a transversal, creating an angle of 50 degrees, find the measure of the corresponding angle. Solution: the corresponding angle is also 50 degrees. Example 2. If one interior angle is 120 degrees, what is the measure of the alternate interior angle? Solution: the alternate interior angle is also 120 degrees. Example 3. If two parallel lines are crossed by a transversal, creating an angle of 75 degrees, find the measures of the alternate exterior angle and the same side interior angle. Solution: the alternate exterior angle is 75 degrees, and the same side interior angle is 105 degrees. 180 minus 75 equals 105. Common mistakes include assuming that alternate interior angles are the same as corresponding angles, calculating the same side interior angles incorrectly by not using the supplementary angle rule, confusing the angles formed when the transversal crosses the parallel lines. Correct versions are recognizing that corresponding angles are equal when parallel lines are crossed by a transversal, understanding that same side interior angles are supplementary, sum to 180 degrees, identifying alternate interior angles as equal when formed by a transversal with parallel lines. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. If a transversal creates an angle of 40 degrees, what is the measure of the corresponding angle? Option A, 40 degrees, or option B, 140 degrees? Answer: option A. 2. If one alternate interior angle is 65 degrees, what is the measure of the other? Option A, 65 degrees, or option B, 115 degrees? Answer: option A. 3. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal creating an angle of 110 degrees, what is the measure of the same side interior angle? Option A, 70 degrees, or option B, 110 degrees? Answer: option A. Pro tip. Remember, corresponding angles are equal, and same-side interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Summary. Corresponding angles are equal when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Alternate interior angles are also equal.